Some people are rich like you wouldn't believe. Hey, that's not normal. Some people don't have what they need to survive. Hey, that's not normal. Some people are forced to sell their bodies for sex. Hey, that's not normal. Some people spend their lives fucked up on drugs. Hey, that's not normal.